I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make $1. That ain't gonna stop me cause my grind's contagious. I'll do what it takes to turn passion to paychecks. And if I go down, I'ma do it on my terms. And every single problem brings a lesson that I learned. The darkest nights, when things seem so broken, it's hard to shine, but I still try. I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight. That's right. Baby, I was born to fight. Born to fight. It's hard to be yourself down a lonely road. I try to find my way but don't know where to go. It's hard to see your friends, tell them adios. When you known them all for like forever, now you're just a ghost. Ain't no way to sugarcoat it, yeah, I feel alone. Been single for a decade, doing me is getting old. I don't pick up when the phone rings, too busy recording. Industry ignores me, but I keep on going. Cause I know you got my back, I got you too. No matter what the situation, we gon' make it through. I'm a fighter, not a quitter. They can say that I'm a sinner cause they
Practice was picking my nose, and I was happy to see various types of food without fire. It could be very good chefs later on. Now it's the beginning. Nicely you are done. Things seem to be very tasty, attractive, and at the same time, like your children, good performance as far as food is concerned. I understand that without fire you have done that. Nearly plenty of items from here to the end, on both sides, we find number of variety of items that are exhibited for the masters, their dress, their cap, and everything seems to be super fine. I think your parents must have helped you a lot to come out with your talent in cooking. Continue the same, don't leave it, so that it become very good cooks later on. You will be self-sufficient. You don't want to be subservient to others when food is prepared. I wish you all the best. Have a beautiful time, and the food that you have prepared will really help our stomach to have good health. Is it not? Fine, no? Okay. So God bless you. Thank you.